Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can spy on your competitors' ads and how you can create a good strategy for yourself. If you have any campaign or any niche you need to create a campaign and you don't have any idea what type of ads are running in the market, how competitors are using them and what type of ad copy they are using to create their ads, you can now easily create them and you can easily see and spy on your competitors' ads and see what they are running and how long they have been running the single ads. So you can see that any ad which have been published or live on the platform for a long time, it means that's a winning ad. And you can just grab the copy and the creative, change few things in it, create another copy, use that strategy, create a new copy from that, your ad copy, your creatives, and run the ads for that niche. So it's really easy to understand what ads are running in the market and how you can create a successful campaign. So for that, you need to type ad library in your Google. And once you do that, you will see the first option here, ad library. Click on it. It's from Facebook. So we are not using any paid software. So this is from Facebook and we are not using any paid software or anything you need to buy or any subscription. This is free and you can use it. You just need to visit ad library URL and you will have this platform in front of you. So what you need to do here, so once you select the country here, what we need to do, we need to select the category. So we'll go for the all ads, so we get the idea, the whole campaign ideas, that what type of ads are running in the market. So after that, we need to put the keyword here. So we already have few keywords here. Let's find something related to renovation in the United States. So let's do this and we'll hit enter. You can also search by the page. If you know that what your competitors are, you can just Facebook page name here and it will show you the exact ads which they are running. So it will be a filtered for you and you will only see the ads from your competitors and you will see all the ad copies and creative they are using, any videos they are using. So right now, this is a generic search for renovation. So it gives me all the ads which are running in United States. So I get the idea of the creatives or the ad copy, what they're running, what type of call to action they're using. And I will also can go to their Facebook page, their website. If they have the link on the page, you can also visit their Instagram account. So once you're in here, you can just go scroll, check all the ads, and if you like any ad and which okay, this is working really good, it has been running from a very long time, it will give you the running status of the ads also, if they are still live or they are paused. You can just click on see detailed ads. Now it will give you a window where it will show you everything about the ad and also the advertiser. So here you will see the exact ad whichever is running here. You can just play here and you will see the whole ad copy and the creatives which they are using. So once you do that, you can also see more about the advertiser. If you don't know the competitor, you can just go to their website, their Facebook page, and you can look over the posts they are running. So you can do many things from here. You can, if you do the exact filters in the ad library, it will give you really good results for your competitors, and it will help you a lot with your ad campaigns, what type of campaigns, what type of creatives you need to use. Instead of wasting money on new creatives and trying new things in your ad, just go with the ad library, research about your competitors' ads and create something similar, because it's already working in the market and you can just recreate them and have a really good optimized campaign for yourself. I hope this video helps you to understand how you can create a really good campaign using the ad library and how you can spy on your competitors. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.